Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, we recently moved to Brooklyn, New York. My friends and family back home have been asking about an apartment tour. We just moved here a month ago, so it's very hard to get settled in again. But now I think we're ready to show you guys this amazing apartment that we love. Let's go! So we are located in the 5th floor. There's, I think, 6 floors, a block away from a Karen Park. We're right across from a gin distillery and the fire station. Our view is the Chrysler building and Midtown. If you look directly down our street, you'll see the Trade Center as well. Lately, I've been getting out to my balcony and just doing crossword puzzles and having a cup of coffee. And it's been so relaxing and nice. So in the kitchen, we have a wine rack. It was so hard to get 20 bottles to fit in the wine rack, but we did it. We also have a dishwasher, but we only used it once. It takes an hour to wash dishes, so I'd rather just do it by hand. In the living room, we have a nice comfy couch. We bought it at Crate & Barrel. The canvas that we got from the Ukraine. I also built the coffee table and the entertainment center. In the bathroom, we have a really big bathtub, very deep. I love to just relax, take bubble baths, and listen to music. We do have Bluetooth speakers within the walls in all 3 rooms. In the bedroom, we have a canvas representing LA and us leaving it. And we have a record player with some vinyl records. So looking for a place in Brooklyn, we were really looking for amenities. So in the building, there is a gym, a yoga studio, a cinema. There's also a business center. The rooftop has hammocks as soon as you walk up, some games. They have grills, fire pits, but the view is so beautiful. It's so important to us, and just having that space is really nice. I love living here in Brooklyn so far. We've only been here a month. There's a lot more to see and more to explore in the city, but I'm just so excited to be here. So thanks guys for watching this video of my new apartment in Brooklyn. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned, there's more to come.